Hi everyone, I'm Maya.
And I'm Jack.
I need to talk about something. AI is going to replace all our jobs.
I don't think that's true, James. AI creates more opportunities than it destroys.
How can you say that? My friend Mark lost his job last month because of AI.
Did he try to learn the new AI tools? Or did he refuse to change?
He tried, but it was too difficult. Not everyone can become a tech expert overnight.
You don't need to be an expert. You just need to upgrade your skills.
That's easy for you to say. Some people don't have time to learn new things.
Everyone has 45 minutes a day. That's enough to start learning AI tool.
But what about older workers? They can't adapt as quickly as young people.
Age doesn't matter at all. My 60-year-old uncle learned to use AI successfully.
Give me one real example. Show me someone who benefited from AI at work.
My colleague Sarah uses AI for research. She finishes projects 3 times faster now.
So she does more work for the same pay. That doesn't sound like a benefit to me.
She got promoted because her productivity increased. Now she earns 40% more money.
I guess it worked out well for her. But most people don't get promotions like that.
Most individuals who invest in self-growth do receive rewards. The first step is up to you.
What about creative jobs like writing? AI can write articles in seconds now.
AI generates the structure, but humans supply the heart and voice. And that's what readers want.
I saw AI-generated art winning competitions. Even artists are losing to machines now.
You keep saying tool like it's simple. What if the tool becomes smarter than us?
Tools help us work better. They don't replace us. Calculators didn't replace mathematicians.
That's one case. But AI will lead to the loss of millions of jobs.
Jobs will transform, not disappear. There's a big difference between those two things.
I read that AI can write, design, and even code now. What jobs are safe anymore?
Jobs built on human connection are protected. AI isn't capable of true empathy or creative insight.
But AI is getting smarter every day. Eventually, it will do everything humans do.
AI does tasks, but humans do thinking. Machines don't have feelings or judgment. My company just bought AI software yesterday. I'm worried they'll fire half the team.
Or maybe they'll use AI to grow faster and hire more people.
Sounds too idealistic to me. Companies usually put their earnings ahead of their employees.
Successful companies support their employees by teaching them how to work with AI.
But calculators are simple compared to AI. This technology is completely different from before.
Every generation said that about new technology. People feared computers and the internet too.
Some jobs never came back. What do you say to the factory workers who lost everything?
New industries created millions of different jobs. The economy adapted and grew stronger.
New industries created millions of different jobs. The economy adapted and grew stronger.
You can say that because you're not the one being laid off. Actual people are struggling right now.
I understand the fear, I really do. But refusing to adapt makes things worse.
So it's our fault if we lose jobs? You're blaming workers instead of the system.
I'm not blaming anyone at all. I'm saying we have power to control our future.
Power? What kind of power do we even hold? Corporations control every decision about AI.
We decide whether to learn or resist change. That choice determines our success.
All right. Let's say I want to learn. What new jobs exist because of AI exactly?
Prompt engineers who write instructions for AI can earn upwards of $300,000 per year.
That sounds like a tech job. I'm not technical, so that won't work for me.
Greater than. AI trainers teach systems about specific industries. You know marketing. You could do that.
Teaching AI about marketing? I never thought about it that way before.
Look, AI is opening up jobs we never thought existed. You just have to think differently.
AI-assisted healthcare specialists, doctors, radiologists, and lab technicians using AI tools to improve diagnosis or treatment.